Hi, my name is Jins Tom Arambankudy. I'm the head of Worldgrid UK and the Global Solution Manager for Nuclear Sector. As part of my role in the UK, I manage a team of operational technology and C&I engineers who are based at nuclear power plants, and we support today all of the existing generation fleet. We also support nuclear Newbuild program, where we support with qualification and commissioning of control and instrumentation systems. Worldgrid, part of ALTEN Group since 2024, is a leader in the nuclear sector, especially around command and control systems. We deliver as system integrators command and control systems, which is a primary interface for the control rooms, as well as the automatic control systems for nuclear power plants. We are also a leader in developing and integrating OT, IT integration solutions, along with cybersecurity, as well as digital tools for OT. ALTEN and Worldgrid is a unique combination. It's a blend of capable engineering as well as digital transformation capability for the nuclear sector. What excites me the most about working in the industry is the scale and impact. We're contributing to one of the most complex and critical industries in the world, where safety, reliability, and sustainability truly matters. Every project is a chance to make a difference, and not just to our clients, but also to the society as a whole. So looking ahead, I'm particularly interested in how digital solutions, for example, high-fidelity digital twins, AI, edge computing, and predictive maintenance, and all of these solutions are shaping the way nuclear facilities are operated. There's also a growing momentum around Newbuild projects, small modular reactors, life extension, and all of this demand a robust, future-proof solution. And this has to be done without compromising sovereignty and security, of course. I'm very proud of the projects where we support our nuclear operators by supporting digital control system upgrades. All of them lead to a long-term relationship where we support the operators for 20 plus years. And we help streamline their architectures, improve their environment in line with safety regulation standards changes, and of course all of this without disturbing the operations. We'll be at the World Nuclear Exhibition to connect with you. Come and meet us there.